I love Disney characters. Since I was just a little girl, I've been looking forward for this. Because when I grow up, I want to be a mermaid. Maybe he's right. Maybe there is something that matters with me. I just don't see a world that makes such wonderful thing. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one camera hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobbs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, flocking around, and that's what do you call it? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay? Just spend the day warm on the sand. Betcha their land, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, seek us women, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What's the word